Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw good bounce back in the US market yesterday, over 2%, mainly driven by short covering. Uh, Even if we see the Asian market, all are showing a positive trend. China and Hong Kong are close, but apart from that, other markets are plus by around 2%. And even the Dow future is also indicating a positive trend. So across the board, different market are showing positive trend. Uh, Even the oil is up by around $2 as compared to the same time yesterday. Being China close, commodity prices for the today morning from China is not available. Uh, Tomorrow, OPEC plus meeting is there, where they will be considering a reduction in the production of the oil. The expectation is that somewhere between zero point 0.5 to 1 million barrel they can cut. And because of that, we had seen oil moving up in last few days. So overall, seems like a positive day. We had seen yesterday sharp corrections in Indian market also, but today seems whatever the indications we are getting from the international market looks positive. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Looking towards the global market, our market is likely to open with a gap up by almost 200 to 250 points and high sides. Upside resistance is at 17,140 levels. Any move above that level, we believe that the pullback rally is likely to be extended towards 17,200 to 300 levels on the high side. Whereas on the downside, 17,000 will act as a crucial support levels for today purpose. If Nifty manages to maintain a positive closing above 70,000 psychological mark, then the view will just turn out to be a positive for a few trading sessions as such. Coming towards the bank Nifty, yesterday we have seen a sharp fall into the bank Nifty on the closing basis. Almost the bank Nifty was down by more than 1.6%, which has shown a very cautious signs. But looking towards the sign of the global market, we are witnessing some pullback rally into the Indian market as well. So coming towards the bank Nifty, for today intraday purpose, the first resistance is placed at 38,550 and 39,000 levels on the higher side. Whereas on a downside, 37,890 and 37,600 will act as a crucial support level on the bank Nifty. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, the first resistance is placed at 17,560, 17,800 levels. On the flip side, 17,180 and 17,040 are the crucial support level we need to keep an eye on it. So the overall view will remain a positive for today's trading session as such, since we are witnessing some pullback rally into the Indian stock markets. From the last few trading sessions, we are continuously emphasizing that it is a stock specific market. On daily basis, we are witnessing some sectorial rotation in the Indian stock markets. So as of now, one should be into the stock specific trading rather than concentrating on the indices part as such. One can go from the last 2 to 3 trading sessions, we are witnessing that the IT packs are really doing very well. Just have a look on the KPIT technology on the technical ground. The stocks looks good, it's very positive on the charts. 700, the likely target we are looking forward in the coming few trading sessions. So one can go for a long with KPIT technologies for a target of 700 with a stop loss of 652. I think that's it from my end. I request Amit to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. Good morning, everyone. So, as per derivatives data front, from last few trading sessions, we are witnessing that Nifty is getting some pressure on the upper end from 17,100 to 17,000 strikes, and again the profit booking we are witnessing in the second half. The same scenario we have seen in yesterday trading session also. Currently, as per the OI position and as per overall derivatives data, there is not much of positive outcome. Currently, we are seeing that the SGX is likely to open today, but to above 250 points. But still, there is no confirmation on the buy front in the market because if we look at the overall OI positions, on the weekly basis from 16,900 to 17,300 mark. There are heavy call writer positions in the market, while against that the put writer positions are getting liquidated in yesterday trading session. Overall, if we consider on the month to month basis also, then at the 17,000 strike, there is almost 12 million position of call writers. Against that, there is 10 million position of put writer positions. So till the time 17,000 strike call writer positions are not getting shifted on the upper end towards 17,300 and 400 strike till that point of time, still there is not a confirmation in the market to go fresh longer. On the current basis, we might witness some pullback in the market towards 17,300 level. As we said in the monthly report also, that 17,300 to 16,700 will act as an important range for the range breakout. This range is need to be, and this level need to be get broken. So till if again Nifty comes around 17,200 250 levels in next 1 to 2 trading session, then we can expect again a sell off in the market and profit booking from the higher level. So overall strategy in the market till the time it's not getting clear about 17,300 level, till that point of time the clear strategy would be sell and rise strategy, because India VIX is still trading around 21.37. Yesterday also India VIX rise up around 7%. So India VIX is currently in the cautious zone till the time India VIX is not going below 18.5 level. Till that point of time, we might witness some sell-off momentum in the market, and should take advantage to get a sell and rise strategy whenever bounce back is there in the market. Currently, as per the stock specific, we expect some of the positive stocks for today's scenario would be Bharti Airtel, Sun Pharma, Metropolis, and Escort. This four counter looks positive in today's trading session. Thank you.
Good morning. Continuing with the Q2 updates for banking and financial services, Mahindra Financial numbers have improved for September quarter. The disbursements grew by 25% quarter on quarter and 82% year on year to 11,800 crores. It's at an 11-quarter high. Similarly, loan growth has also grown handsomely at 16% year on year at 74,000 crores. And also the gross NPA number is expected at around 7% compared to 8% in June quarter. Similarly, gross stage 2 number is also expected to come down from 12% to 10%. So encouraging numbers. South Indian Bank also reported good advances growth of 5% quarter on quarter and 17% year on year. And also IndusInd Bank, similar kind of numbers, 4.7% sequential loan growth and 18% year on year to almost 2,60,000 crore loan book now. And even deposits in case of IndusInd grew well, 4% quarter on quarter and 15% year on year. So we are seeing all around that all banks are reporting system level kind of loan growth at around 16%. So give or take a couple of percentage points up or down. So all around we think banking sector is poised well. KEC International has also won new orders worth 1,400 crores across its businesses of transmission, civil, railways, cables. So this is positive for KEC. Also today, Electronic Smart India, a new IPO is opening and it will be closing on Friday. We have given subscribe rating. The price band is 56 to 59 rupees. Total issue size is 500 crores and constitutes entirely of fresh issue. Its business model is the same as Vijay Sales and Chroma Reliance Digital, which is retailing of consumer durable and electronic items like AC, fridge, TV, mobile phones, laptops, etc. It is the fourth largest such retailer in India after Reliance Digital, which is the largest. Then comes Chroma and then Vijay Sales. And it is the largest in South India. Top line is almost more than 4,000 crores. Its main presence is in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. the USP of all these big companies is the scale at which they operate. For example, the company will its top client will company will sell the goods of its top client of almost 1,000 crores, more than 1,000 crores. So that for that particular brand, EMI is a very important sales channel. So that OEM brand will price its product in such a way that EMI is able to make good margins and successfully compete with other competitors and even small mom and pop stores in that same locality where EMI operates. So business model is such that all these large operators, large retailers make around 5-6% kind of PBIT margin and generate asset turnover of around 3 times. And so they get to an ROCE of around 15 to 18% kind of level. On comparing it with other listed retail companies, we note that V-Mart and Shoppers Stop have similar kind of return ratios and growth profile and trade at EV to EBITDA of more than 30 times, while EMI is being offered at just 10 times. So we think that the IPO is very attractive and one we have given a subscribe rating. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning. Vedanta has reported its business update for Q2. Aluminum production came in at 454,000 ton, down by 11% and 6% due Q on Q due to scheduled maintenance. Its iron ore production came in at 1.34 million ton, up by 2% year on year and 6% Q on Q. Total saleable production increased by 11% year on year and 21% Q on Q to 325,000 ton on account of completion of debottlenecking in Q1. Copper production stood at 41,000 ton, up by 8% sequentially. This is neutral for the company. Hindustan Zinc also reported its production numbers for Q2. Metal production came in at 255,000 ton, almost flattish Q on Q. Production was higher by 3% year on year, which was driven by better grades and improved mill recoveries. Zinc production came in at 189,000 ton, down by 8% sequentially. Lead production was up by 5% at 57,000 ton, whereas silver production was up by 10% sequentially at 6.2 million ounces. This is neutral for the company. Thank you.
Good morning. So, M&M announces the monthly numbers or monthly auto sales. In the auto division business, the company witnessed recent demand trends led by new launches and strong response to existing models. It has a robust order book for new launches. September 22 saw highest ever SUV volumes of 34,262 units. With this, the company has occupied the pole position for utility vehicles in the Indian market. Going forward, the company expects festive season to aid volume growth across product portfolio. In its tractor business, the company reported improvement of 21% month on month in September 22, driven by festive boost. Above normal rainfall has led to higher reservoir levels, which bodes well for higher food grain production in the upcoming Rabi season. Farmer sentiments continue to remain positive, with crop prices remaining firm. Bajaj Auto also announced its monthly numbers. Sales were overall volumes reported a marginal decline of 2% month on month. Going forward, we expect festive season to boost domestic volume. Exports continue to slip, plagued by weakening of local currencies and higher inflation in certain geographies. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Avenue Super Smart, that is T-Mart, has reported sales number for the quarter, and the sales is showing good trend. It is increased by around 36% year on year and around 6% quarter on quarter. And if you take 3-year CAGR, that is before COVID and now, then it works out to 20.4% CAGR for 3 year, which is what is expected from the DMart, that they will continue to grow the revenue at 20% CAGR. So that the same thing is getting reflected into the sales growth. So more of a in-line number of growth, and seems comparatively maintaining the trend. The valuations are demanding at around 55 time EV by EBITDA, which is company is consistently commanding very high multiple, and which is likely to sustain in the coming period as well. Whereas Marico industry has announced low single-digit volume growth expected in this quarter, uh, wherein the value-added hair oil is likely to grow in single digit. Parachute coconut oil is also likely to grow in single digit. Whereas Saffola recovered smartly and is likely to grow in higher single digit, and international business is likely to grow in double digit. So overall, seems like they will be growing in low single digit. The valuations are at around 41 times FY24 earning. Looking at the low growth expected, and the valuation seems reasonably priced. May see some marginal correction of 2-3% possible, nothing more than that, and more of a stock is likely to remain range bound. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we saw a rally in commodities, especially in gold and silver. So this momentum could continue. We recommend to going long in gold around 51,000, and prices are expected to test 51,500, 600 on higher end. So this rally could continue ahead as long as it is holding 50,800. We expect prices to rally higher. Silver also 60,500, 60,300 seems to be a good support area. So as long as holding above that, we expect prices to test 62,000 on higher end. Overall buying on dips is suggested in silver. Crude, one should buy on dips around 6,800. Prices are expected to test 6950, 7,000 on higher end. So buying in crude is also recommended. Natural gas, we witnessed a close below 540, which is a weak sign. So any pullback till 540, one can sell with a stop loss of 555. So as long as closing below 540, prices are expected to correct, and it might test 515, 500 on lower end. In metals, we have seen, especially in copper, prices are holding 640 levels, and on higher end, 655 seems to be a resistance area. However, we recommend to buy around 647 to 46, and maintain a stop loss below for 640. Prices are expected to test 655 resistance area, and once it close above that, we may expect further rally. Zinc today might be in a range movement from 271 to 267. However, buying is also recommended with a stop loss below 266. In currency, USD INR might witness selling pressure. So selling around 81.90 is recommended with a stop loss above 82.15. So prices can test 81.60, 81.50 on lower end. That's it from us. Thank you very much.